My favorite thing about him is the fact that he just works so hard.
I want to work with Shah Rukh Khan was one of them.
The way he treats you, the way he gives you so much of respect, his whole attention is on you.
Will we ever have a next Shah Rukh Khan? It's going to be very tough.
What is that one thing Bollywood don't have and one thing that Hollywood don't have?
Hollywood doesn't have Shah Rukh Khan.
He earned last year more than who?
Tom Cruise and Johnny Depp.
Did you know that Shah Rukh Khan is richer than Hollywood mega stars like Tom Cruise, and his net worth is rupees 600,000 plus crore. That is equivalent to $750 million. He is a global movie star, a film studio owner, an IPL team owner, and a real estate investor. But how did he do it? Like a middle class boy from Delhi who has no connection in Bollywood rise and became a king of Bollywood. How did he do that?
रून इंडिया रिच लिस्ट 2024 में शाहरुख खान और उनके परिवार की नेटवर्थ 7,300 करोड़ रुपए बताई गई है।
सब डायरेक्टर्स यहाँ पर कहते थे क्या टीवी स्टार है, टीवी स्टार है, टीवी स्टार है। और आज का दिन है वही सब डायरेक्टर्स टीवी पे सीरियल डायरेक्ट कर रहे हैं और मैं इतना बड़ा फिल्म स्टार बन गया।
That thing is just so fascinating about Shah Rukh Khan. In this video, let's decode the king of business, Shah Rukh Khan. And researching more upon this person who is called the king of Bollywood, I realized he's a master in brand building, business expansion and long-term success. This is chapter 1 of Shah Rukh Khan, how he started his journey.
यहीं जब आ रहा था 1.5-2 घंटा पहले मैं ड्राइव कर रहा था होटल से, तो थोड़ा दुख भी हुआ क्योंकि दिल्ली आता हूँ तो पुरानी यादें ताज़ा हो जाती।
Shah Rukh Khan was born in Delhi in 1965. Unlike many Bollywood stars, he had no family connection in the industry. His father, Mira Taj Muhammad Khan, ran a small transport business which later failed. His family lived in rented apartment, constantly moving houses due to financial instability. In 1981, at just 15 years old, Shah Rukh Khan lost his father, which left his family struggling for money. What makes SRK different is his early business mindset.
I missed my graduation day. I couldn't be there because I was working. I started working very young. So I missed wearing a gown like this.
Even during school and college, Shah Rukh Khan was always thinking about ways to make money. He worked odd jobs, including running a small dhaba with friends. He even sold movie tickets outside theaters to make extra cash. And then he took the first big career risk, choosing acting over government job. After completing school at St. Columbia, Delhi, SRK enrolled in Hansaraj College for a degree in economics. He was expected to take a government job like his peers. Instead of that, उन्होंने theaters और acting को choose किया. His first break came in 1988 with the TV series Fauji, followed by Circus in 1989. In 1991, SRK moved to Mumbai with just rupees 1,500 in his pocket, determined to become a Bollywood actor. So in this phase, he took a lot of smart decisions which make Shah Rukh Khan the Shah Rukh Khan. So the number one smart decision that he took was positioning himself as the anti-hero from 1992 to 1995. When SRK entered Bollywood, the market was dominated with heroes like Salman Khan, Amir Khan. Instead of playing safe, SRK took a high-risk approach.
और हार कर जीतने वाले को बाजीगर कहते हैं।
Bazigar. In 1993, he played a villain, which was unheard for a lead actor.
बहते हुए लहू की कसम, इस नाम की कसम जो मेरे दिल पे लिखा है।
Dull. In 1993, he played a psycho lover, becoming Bollywood's first obsessed stalker hero. Anjam, 1994, another dark role, further strengthening his anti-hero brand. These bold choices made him unique, irresistible star. It is not limited to this. Another smart move of Shah Rukh Khan was becoming Bollywood's global face, 1995 to 2000.
बड़े-बड़े देशों में ऐसी छोटी-छोटी बातें होती रहती हैं।
Dilwale Dulhania Le Jayenge, 1995, turned SRK into romantic superstar of Bollywood. He targeted NRI audience with movies like Kuch Kuch Hota Hai in 1998 and Dil Se in 1998 again. By 2000, SRK was the biggest movie star in India. I am 2001 and I know how much I have watched SRK movie. Kal Ho Na Ho, Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum, Kabhi Alvida Na Kehna, Kuch Kuch Hota Hai. I mean, I have grown up watching his movie and all my romantic ideas is built upon his movies. Now here's the catch. Instead of acting for money, he wanted to build a business out of his Bollywood career. chapter 2 of SRK's journey, where Red Chillies Entertainment was born. Now, why did Shah Rukh Khan started Red Chilli Entertainment? Most actors in Bollywood only earn from films, but producers and studio make money forever. SRK realized this early on, and in 2002 he launched Red Chilli Entertainment, his own film studio. So here's how Red Chilli makes money. Movie production. Even if a movie flops, SRK earn from satellite, digital and international rights. VFX and animation. Red Chilli's VFX is now a Hollywood level VFX studio, serving major Bollywood and Hollywood projects. OTT expansion. SRK was one of the first Bollywood actor to sign exclusive content deal with Netflix and Amazon Prime. Today, Red Chilli Entertainment is worth over rupees 5,000 plus crore, making Shah Rukh Khan one of the richest film producer in India. A middle class boy with zero business and Bollywood connection doing this is insane. It's inspiring. This is chapter 3 of Shah Rukh Khan's journey, where he bought an IPL team. KKR, the IPL master stroke that made SRK rupees 5,000 crore. Shah Rukh Khan bought KKR in 2008. In 2008, the Indian Premier League IPL started, a mix of cricket and entertainment, designed to be a money machine. SRK saw the business potential early and bought Kolkata Knight Riders for rupees 300 crores. Now here's the question, how KKR became the money-making machine for Shah Rukh Khan? Number 1, brand sponsorship. KKR has gained massive deals with Pepsi, Nokia, MPL, Lux, Cozy, etc. They also make money with ticket sales and merchandise. Stadium tickets, jersey and fan engagement bring in huge revenue, and they also earn from media rights profits. Every IPL team earns from BCCI's billion-dollar broadcasting deals, and the current valuation of KKR is worth over rupees 5,000 crore, making it one of the most valuable cricket franchisee in the world. And this is chapter 4, which is the most smartest investment decision of Shah Rukh Khan. Just real estate and passive income. Now Shah Rukh Khan has a lot of property, but his key properties are Mannat, which is of rupees 250 plus crore, SRK's ultimate status symbol. Not only that, he has a Dubai villa gifted by Dubai government as a luxury investment, and as well as he has London apartments, high value real estate for rental income. These property ensure passive income even when Shah Rukh Khan is not working on movies. Now these were some extremely inspiring and insane smart decision made by Shah Rukh Khan, which made this middle class boy go from zero to the king of Bollywood as well as business. All this, what we can understand is that build your brand before your business. Own the business, don't just work in it, diversify, but with strategy. Now let me know in the comments, what do you think of Shah Rukh Khan's business and acting? Are you a Shah Rukh Khan fan? Because I am. And thank you for watching this video. If you are interested in such kind of breakdown, do subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.